let's just review. Make sure you have your left hand in your cap. Make sure it's not wimpy. And then make sure you have your right hand, or camera side to you. And same thing, top, bottom, out, top, bottom, out, top, bottom, out. Good, okay, not wimpy. Okay, so we'll do the same thing we did with the other one. Put your right arm, the one closer to me, up, left arm, the one closer to the house across the street, down, and then we're in split time. Yes, and then the right one will do the in spin, and the left one will do the anti-spin. Then the right one does the anti-spin while the left one does the in spin. Then the left does the anti-spin, and then the right does the anti-spin, and then the left does the anti-spin, and then the right does the anti-spin. And so do it as slow as you. So maybe we should start with your left on top. Okay. Okay, so that it does the in spin, yes, while the other one is doing the anti-spin. And now the one closer to me will do the in spin, while the one farther from me will do the anti-spin. That's okay, we get to try it again. The one farther from me does the in spin, while the one closer to me does the anti. The top one, maybe this is the way to think about it. The top one does the easy part, the bottom one does the hard part. So focus on the bottom one. Focus on the anti-spin. Anti-spin from the bottom. 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 One thing that helps me with this one is the feeling of the movement is, it's like, because the rhythm of the move is polyrhythmic and you're doing more effort with the hand that's doing anti-spin. You're doing, or 1.5, you're doing a half to a 1.5 to a half to a 1.5. While you're doing the 1.5, what helps me is if I start thinking about, okay, I'm going to speed that up, then speed that one. So when it gets to the bottom, I speed it up, and speed it up to go up, and I slow down the other one. So it's sort of this boom, 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 boom. I mean, that helps me, but that's not like a technical term. You did full cycle and then hold, hold. Full cycle, then hold, hold. Full cycle, then hold, hold. Full cycle, then hold, hold.